Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as per the time when you are watching. Dear student, this is Dr. Ajay Gaikwad along with Professor Chaudhary sir and our lab assistant Pooja ma'am. Today we are going for the turn 3. It is auto level. How auto level can be used for finding the levels. It can be simple leveling, differential leveling, fly leveling and others. Now this is the ground on which we are going to perform the practical, and for which the instruments needed are: one is the adjustable tripod stand. Why adjustable? Because its height can be adjustable with the 3 legs, one swing nut. This is called swing nut. There are screws at the bottom of the auto level. Auto level is required, and leveling staff, maybe 2 in number. Okay, so with this instrument, let us see how we can go ahead. Now first of all, I will explain about simple leveling, wherein we have to calculate the difference in elevation between, say, 2 points. Maybe the compound at the lawn, from this compound to, let us say, the top of the our stage. So stage top and compound top, we have to find out the difference in elevation. So how we can find it out? Before that, we'll see the part of the instrument auto level, its temporary adjustments, how the readings are to be taken on leveling staff, and then we'll go for that simple leveling, finding difference between 2 points. Okay, as I said, let us say these 2 points. So I will check the mean of these two, and as said, it is adjustable. So loose the screws at the bottom. This is called foot base, and you can adjust the height as per your convenience at the eye level. Then tighten the screws. This is to be done by keeping all the legs at the same level. Otherwise, there may be a difference in one of the height of the leg. So do this first, then approximately level. I have selected a point in between these two. The distance should not be more than or less than 60 meters. अरे दादा लवकर ये. Now with a swing nut, I am going to put the auto level. Now the auto level, there are threadings. This is called leveling head, base plate, screws at foot, so called foot screws. This is for angular measurement, horizontal disc. Okay, now with the threadings at the bottom, fix the instrument. See, while fixing, this should be matched. Okay, other parts are, this is the telescope, object or objective. This is eyepiece with eye screw. Okay, this is focusing screw, and this is fine adjustment screw. If you see, if I rotate it, it is going towards right little bit finely, going towards left finely. So this is fine adjustment screw, along with a bubble tube here. So as to see, if the height is lesser, you can see the bubble here. Now see, the procedure is similar to your dumpy level. You select any 2 screws and possibly bring it at the center like this, and then turn the screw on the 3rd foot screw and bring the bubble at the center. See whether the bubble is coming. The procedure is again same.